Welcome to the world of magic and skills. Today we embark on a journey filled with wonder and fun. Are you ready to explore the secrets of magic in English? We'll learn exciting words and even perform some magic tricks. This class will not only teach you new knowledge but also boost your confidence and enjoyment. Warm-up activity. The colorful magic cube. Let's explore this fascinating cube with its vibrant colors. Together, we'll name the colors red, blue, yellow, green, white, and orange. Have you played with a magic cube before? It's not just fun, but also a great tool for learning English color vocabulary. Thematic vocabulary. Magic words for colors and directions. Now that we've learned colors, let's add directions to our magical vocabulary. Imagine a magician asking you to flip or turn something. We'll pair these words with actions to help you remember them easily. Sentence practice, step-by-step magic. To perform magic, you need to explain the process clearly. These sentence structures act like a magic manual, helping others understand your tricks. We'll practice using these to describe simple magic steps, enhancing your English skills. Little magician, coin disappearance. It's time to perform real magic. The teacher will demonstrate a simple trick, like making a coin disappear. We'll use the sentence structures to explain each step. Practice in pairs and don't be afraid to make mistakes. The key is to practice confidently. Group challenge, rubber band jumping magic. Besides coin tricks, we can learn rubber band magic. Choose the trick that interests you most. We'll provide simple cue cards to help you describe the steps in English. Practice and explain your magic like a true magician. Spectacular performance, little magicians on stage. Now it's time to showcase what you've learned. Each group will take turns performing their practice magic and explaining it in English. This is a great opportunity to practice speaking and build confidence. Remember, success is in the effort. Summary and reflection. What did we learn today? Reflect on your favorite magic trick and why. What new color and direction words did you learn? How many magic step sentence structures can you recall? Each attempt and spoken word is proof of your progress. Tools and resources. Our magic treasure box. To enhance today's magic class, we've prepared a magic treasure box with real magic tools and learning cards for vocabulary and sentence structures. With these tools, you'll learn and practice effortlessly, becoming a little magician master. Post-class extension. Take the magic home. The fun of magic doesn't end with the class bell. We encourage you to share today's magic and English skills with your family. This not only impresses them, but also improves your English. Remember, learning is like magic. Keep practicing to discover your limitless potential.